ka Congress kala yo priang kumba nyo photli ki application na ki kirtong ki papan ticket na kabenta ke election GHADC kaban salong mentaus nem. Habakranch kilat pathai khubor u president ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala uloong ba kaseng kala long kabala pinkhre pura. Ula pintipru baya karai halor ki kirtong ansa shim hadien baladep pinbana ya katarik election.
Rules we have already invited for the applications. We have called the application for the last 1 month. We got it. We have got around more than approximately 70 aspirants. We have to decide on this issue. Decision will be taken once they announce the election. So normally once they announce election and we announce our candidates. So we have done all the preparations also.